Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the RPM Tesla app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. RPM Tesla is a specialized app designed for Tesla owners who want to monitor and optimize their vehicle's performance. The app offers detailed real-time telemetry, battery statistics, trip analysis, and motor data all in one place. It also features customizable dashboards, live data graphs, and alerts for maintenance or charging needs, helping users stay informed about their vehicle's health and efficiency. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate the app's detailed data presentation and intuitive interface, which makes it easier to understand complex vehicle metrics. Tesla enthusiasts find the customization options helpful for tailoring the app to their preferences. Many also like that it provides insights beyond the standard Tesla app, enhancing their driving experience. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional connectivity issues and find the advanced data overwhelming at first. Additionally, the app requires a certain level of technical interest to fully benefit from its features. Those looking for a simpler, more straightforward Tesla companion might find it too detailed. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the RPM Tesla app may be worth using if you're a Tesla owner or enthusiast interested in in-depth vehicle performance monitoring. It excels in offering comprehensive telemetry and customization, but might not be ideal for casual users or those new to Tesla's ecosystem. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.